Hello, it is chilly this morning. It's about 7 a.m. And the thing about RV life that theoretically, if you have dogs, is that you're going to have to take them out for at least a couple walks a day. But it really becomes something else when it is December and it is frosty and in the low 30s and you got to roll out of your nice warm toasty bed because somebody's got to pee. So yeah, I have the dogs out here this morning. Luckily the campground that we're at, the campground is back there. Oh yeah, back there somewhere. And they have this nice, beautiful, open grass area out in front of it. So the dogs are sniffing and doing their business. Well, I'm just gonna walking them around, and I thought that I would say good morning and start this video. So this vlog is kind of just gonna be a day in the life, home around the RV vlog, kind of homemaking chores and holiday chores and stuff like that. Today's a little bit of a weird day. We are currently back in our hometown area, our home base area, and part of being back here is that Matt has to go into the office a couple of times, so he is not here today. So it's just me and the dog. For RV life in particular, there is a lot of give and take. You only have so much space and you have to give up things in order to get other things. I mean, just like this morning when I had to take the dogs for a walk, I had to give up just, opening the back door and letting them go potty. But I get to have this lifestyle where we are getting to adventure and go on trips and go all over and see things. And also I get forced to take a walk in the morning, which is healthy and good. So for the holidays, we have decided we wanted a Christmas tree in the house, and this is a 5-foot tree, and what we had to give up for that was our dining table. We didn't like it anyways. We're gonna get a new one after the holidays, but this was a perfect location for the tree, so we had to give up the dining room table, which means I am seated here on the very edge. So that's the other dinette seat, and I'm sitting on the edge of one. And then I have this little TV tray that we borrowed from my mother-in-law, where I'm going to eat my avocado toast before jumping back into all of the things I have to do today.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the
So things are coming along around here. It's much cleaner than it was this morning. It's almost ready for me to film the holiday decorations tour, which I think I already mentioned, but it went up last week from the time that you are watching this. So it is linked down below in the description if you want to go check out all of our decorations. I know that you're seeing some of them in this video, but that one will give you like a dedicated tour, and I hope you guys enjoy that if you have not seen it yet. But anyways, what I am doing now is on the front of Matt's office door, it just felt really blank and empty for the holidays. And I wanted to put something like a wreath there, but one, wreaths are like expensive, or if I buy one that we can use year after year, they are bulky and we have to store it. Also, that door, when it swings open, yeah, so when this door swings open, it hits into here, and sometimes we just have stuff here or whatever, and a wreath would make it more bulky and difficult. So I was at the craft store and I came up with a really great idea. They had these like banners that you're supposed to hang outdoors. Okay, so they had these banners that you're supposed to hang outdoors. And it was like originally $13, but it was 60% off because it's already into December. So I grabbed it. I really like it. And then I got a dowel that we cut down to size and some twine. So I am just going to put the dowel through and then tie the twine onto either side to make a little hanger so I can hang it on his door with a command hook. So I'm doing that, and then I think we'll be almost ready for me to film that video because I got to get it edited and up today.
It's just around the corner, coming up right down the line. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man.
So it is much later in the day. I got a ton done. Oh, bad light. So yeah, I got that video that I was working on edited and uploaded, and it's all set. And then I filmed a bunch of other videos that are all coming up in the new year. I obviously did a wardrobe change. This is what I was wearing for one of the videos that is coming up probably in January or February. We're really trying to get ahead and have like a front load of videos, so you know, we're not stuck trying to film in the morning of a video that's supposed to go live today, like we were today. So yeah, I got that done. Now I am gathering up all of the things to wrap the last Christmas gift that needs to be wrapped. I finished up the filming that I was doing, and then I finished up Matt's Christmas gift. I had a couple more things to do to get that ready, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it now. And then I think it's going to be about time to start dinner. Today has flown by. It's been really quiet because I've been here alone, but I've got a lot done. So RV is clean, the dogs are content, and I got a bunch of work done. So let me go wrap that gift.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Look, here comes a holiday for family and friends. Christmas coming just around the Christmas coming just around. Christmas coming just around the bend.
So the gift is wrapped and my chores are all done for today. I got so much so much done today. And this is kind of it. Thank you so much for coming along with me on my homemaking during the holidays. I was kind of lonely. It's been a while since I've had a whole day with Matt at work. The dogs are about to get in a fight over there because Teddy wants to roughhouse and she doesn't. What are you doing? Leave her alone. She doesn't want to play with you. What did I just say? Teddy, leave it. No. Hey! You okay, baby? You didn't want to play with him, huh? He was bugging you. You just woke up from a nap. So leave me alone, Dad. Okay, anyways, I think I broke that up. No, he's back at it. Okay, give me a minute. Anyways, thanks for coming along with me on my homemaking during the holidays vlog. Like I was saying, it's been a while since I have been home all day without Matt. Like, he's here 99% of the time now, and I kind of was lonely. I missed him because he works a ton, but he has like 2 minutes here, 5 minutes there, where we can just kind of touch base and say hi and have someone to talk to. So it was nice to be able to talk to you guys instead of just being alone in my own little silent chamber all day with only these two hooligans to keep me company. So anyways, thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's really helpful to our channel. And if you want to see more holiday content, or actually, that's a lie. This is our last video until New Year's Eve. We are skipping next week. A week from today is Christmas, or not a week from today. A week from when this video goes up is Christmas Eve, and we are taking Christmas Eve off for the holiday and just kind of not worrying about YouTube. These two are still fighting. Leave her alone. She does not want to play with you. You're being a punk. Ted, get off. Sit. Why are you being mean? It's not time for dinner yet, so you need to wait. And you need to be nice to her while you wait. Hey. Teddy. Be nice. Okay? You gotta be nice. I gotta wrap this up and I gotta do it quick because these two are causing trouble. No, that's a lie. Teddy is causing trouble. So anyways, like I was saying, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We are skipping next week because of New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve. We'll be back on New Year's Eve with a 2021 rewind video, so you can kind of see all the highlights that we had from this past year. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss any future videos, you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. That also really helps our channel and we really appreciate it. And we're just going to leave this at this. I hope you guys have a lovely Merry Christmas if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, I hope that's a nice weekend for you. And we will see you guys next time.